Hi everyone, this is Robin, and I am Robin, and I don't make a lot of face videos, and I just want to make this today to say thank you for the collaboration you did for my birthday. It came out yesterday, and it is the hashtag Robin Moses Mashup, and it is incredible. I am thinking of ways I can share it, and if you guys go and read the stories and see them, please tell me what you would like to see mashed up, and if you think I should keep it restrained, or if you think I should make it unlimited every month, like whatever videos you want to mash. I think that it inspires and it is fun and cool, and I loved it so much. And I want to thank Sandy and Trisha for all they do. They host, and they make sure it all looks beautiful, and then they give the random acts of kindness, the gifts that I give them to people that that are awesome and stand out to them for that month or whatever, and for whatever reason that they find. And I just want to thank them. It has made such a wonderful gift for me. It's the best gift ever, and I want to just say thank you. And I also want to say that I am in a very good place, that it has taken a long time, and I've been through like a whirlwind of different things, and it took a long time to process and like pick out and decide where my path is. And I know now that my path is here teaching you guys, and that no likes or shares or all that stuff, that means nothing. I thought that getting those kind of things would make my voice stronger, and that it would catapult me into teaching tons and tons of people that wanted to learn, and I found differently. It what it did was it made me a target on Facebook, and pretty much everywhere, and all I wanted to do was share art. And so I just want to say that I want to promote kindness, and I want to promote sharing, and what constitutes saying thank you and being kind. That's something that I've been thinking like about so much, is because at what point does copying from me become yours? And I think that that is a personal choice. But if you're copying from the video and you've learned a lot from it, you should say thank you, because it's the right thing to do, and it also helps you and me become more connected to others, to show them that we can connect so they feel less disconnected. And I think that over time, as you guys grow and you have your whole clientele's built or whatever, just once in a while you just shout it out just for fun. And with that, I will do the same. I try and block other online accounts from my vision while I'm creating, because I have so many designs I wanted to get out to you guys that are from my database of designs. And yes, they all are copyrighted in their own way, and no, I can't sue everybody, but they're there and they're mine, and that's okay. Like that's okay. I love seeing my stuff out there. That's why I'm doing it. I want to see it out there. But just a thank you. And it's very hard for people especially at the top, to do that, and they would rather say thank you to that inner circle that sells their products. They say thank you to these people that get them rich, and they pick and choose who they decide to be those rings of people, and for good reason. They're protecting their investments, and I am not part of that, and I understand that, but I am invested in teaching from my heart. That's what I was really toiling with for a couple of years, while other things, but I think that it's all in nodding and making sense to me, and it's just really relaxing and beautiful. And I don't regret one single step. I met an amazing array of people, intelligent, beautiful, smart people, and I got to see and experience an extraordinary amount of things in my career, and I still will. I mean, who knows what I can do next week, but for now I am in a happy place, and I just encourage you guys to shout out who inspires you. I encourage you guys to paint with me, leave comments about what the next mashup will be, and always say inspired by Robin Moses. I don't even know if I'm going to hashtag what I share anymore, because I just want to kind of be out and painting, and you guys know who I am, and you guys know who wants to see me or who would like to see me, and I know that now, and it feels so good to say. Like, I feel so good saying that, because like it was so, like, I hate competition. I hate fear of rejection. I hate feeling excluded, and it feels like I've been that way my whole life, you know. And to be a part of something that's inclusive and brings people together and makes beauty at the same time is very important to me. So anyways, I just want to say thank you to everyone who gets it, who really gets it. And share that. The world needs that right now. And I will be back with more. Carl is having fun out there. And thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.